Welcome back to the Home Voyage Inspirations channel. In this video, we will take you on a stunning visual journey into a world of harmony between modern minimalist architecture and stunning natural beauty. Prepare to be enchanted by the stunning beauty of the house's facade that exudes peace and balance amidst enchanting nature. In a world increasingly filled with the hustle and bustle of urban life, it is more important than ever for us to preserve moments of tranquility amidst nature. This is where the magic of modern minimalist architecture emerges with its beauty. Imagine a house that is not only a place of refuge, but also a work of art that blends with the natural surroundings. A simple yet elegant facade, with clean lines and an emphasis on minimal details, is the home's distinguishing feature. With a swimming pool, this also adds a calm and luxurious impression to this property. The pool, which is strategically located around the house, provides an unforgettable, relaxing experience, while still enjoying the spectacular natural views. It is truly an enchanting experience to see how modern minimalist architecture blends with nature, creating a balanced harmony between humans and the surrounding environment. So, the combination of the beauty of modern minimalist architecture with the tranquility of nature is a beautiful combination, which can make our lives more calm and peaceful. Thank you for joining us in exploring the beauty of modern minimalist house facades with a calm blend of nature. And see you in the next video.